Replacing the CPU. For your safety, switch off the terminal and unplug at the mains. Open the side panel by pressing the slide button. Remove the side panel from the terminal. Lift the cover, protecting the CPU. Disconnect the fan cable. Disconnect the power cable from the CPU located at the top. Disconnect the display unit cable on the CPU by manually unscrewing the 2 screws at each side of the connector. Unplug the USB cable powering the scanner. Disconnect the cable from the HMI unit. Remove the CPU by unscrewing the 2 captive screws located at the top left and bottom right of the CPU. Remove the power cable from the metal clip. Then, lift out the CPU. To replace the CPU, repeat the same steps in reverse order. Close the side panel and secure the side of the terminal unit.